Good morning, my little ones. Breakfast is almost ready. Yay, I'm so hungry. Mama, it smells so yummy. Wow, look at that giant ship. I wish we could go on a trip like that. Really? That looks so fun. Mama, please take us on a ship trip. Yes, Mama, please, please, please.
Oh my, you two are so excited. All right, we will go this Sunday.
Yay!
Looks like we have an adventure coming. Pack your favorite snacks, kids.
I'm taking cookies. And I'm taking my toy.
Wonderful, you're all set for our adventure.
Yay, adventure.
Look, the ship is right there. It's even bigger than I imagined.
Let's hurry, we don't want to be late.
Wow, it's huge. This is the biggest thing I've ever seen.
Stay close, kids.
We're really going on a ship. This is the best day ever.
Careful while climbing.
The wind feels so nice. Look at the water everywhere.
Hold tight, don't lean too far.
I feel like I can run forever. Wait for me, Chiku.
Slow down, you two. Hi, wanna play?
Yes, let's play together. New friends, yay.
I'll count. 1, 2, 3. Hide quickly. This is so fun. Ready or not, here I come.
Why is it getting dark?
The ship is moving weird. Stay calm, kids.
Mama, I'm scared.
It's okay, I'm here.
Will we be safe?
Is everything under control? Yes, just a small storm.
Thank you, Captain.
Let's stay inside for now. The rain looks scary. I hope it stops soon.
Once upon a time, a brave little kitten. Really? What happened next? Tell us more. The brave kitten sailed through the storm, finding a magical island.
What if the storm gets bigger?
Don't worry, we are safe.
I trust you, Papa. That lightning is so loud. I don't like this. Stay close to me.
Look, the storm is going away. The sky is bright again.
See? Everything is fine now.
Wow, a rainbow! It's so beautiful.
Nature is amazing. Smile, everyone. Take my picture too. This will be a great memory.
I'm so happy.
Nice dance. Enjoy the moment.
An island, wow! Let's go explore.
Stay together.
The sand feels so soft. Look at my footprints. Walk carefully. Let's build a big castle. I'll make the tower.
Great teamwork. This is relaxing. Can I try that? Maybe later.
The sunset is so pretty. I don't want this day to end.
Memories last forever.
Splash, splash! Catch me if you can. Careful, don't slip.
They had a wonderful day.
Yes, they'll remember this forever.
Best trip ever.